If you really want to learn spoken English, never translate Bangla to English. To be honest, this is the greatest issue in my country English learners. Also, it was my most biggest issue at time. But at this moment, I have stopped that. Consequently, I don't have any issue when I speak in English in front of you because I never translate Bangla to English. So, if you really want to learn spoken English, never translate Bangla to English. Never thinking in English. Even never try to think in English. It really would be harmful for you. There is only one way to enhance our English pronunciation. That is, think direct in English. Like me. Every time I used to think in English because I know about that if I make a Bangla sentence after that, if I attempt to translate the Bangla sentence to English, I will never able to become a fluent English speaker. For this reason, I am telling you never translate Bangla to English. Nobody can suggest you to translate Bangla to English because every English learners know about knows about that how much dangerous how much dangerous to think Bangla to English during your English practice time. At this moment, I am speaking English in front of you. I am direct thinking English, and I am recording this video. Even during my inter-day activity, I don't like to think in Bangla. Every time I think in English. This is my habit. I have made it habit. Consequently, it is very easy for me. But when you attempt to start your English practice journey, it will be very difficult for you. But if you attempt to translate Bangla to English every day, translate if you attempt to think direct in English after a couple of days later, it will be easy for you. But remember one thing, until you attempt to think direct in English, you cannot change your English skills. This is the secret for every English learners to enhance our English pronunciation. So no more today, Marcy. See you again another day, another video, another places, another topic.